the people. The lucky draw is going to be taken place within a couple of minutes. I request all the delegates to be seated in their place, cross-fingered, look for who is going to be the winner. Yes, 5. One final call. If anybody wants to drop your visiting cards, just we request to drop it here where Dr. Danpat Rampal is holding the fish bowl. You can drop your visiting cards here. Please, delegates, keep hurry. The first prize is the Lenovo Tab. Please hurry up. You can drop your visiting cards. Yes, this is the really exciting thing after the post lunch. You can see everybody is dropping their cards. Yes, no. Yes, sure. Please, I request all the delegates, please drop your cards here. So, who will be the lucky winner? Dr. Danpat Rampal Agarwal is going to decide now. Okay. Dr. Ganguly, Dr. Prabuddha Ganguly. Yes. Just. If this is the last and final call, if anybody is interested to drop your visiting cards, please drop here. The lucky draw is about to start now. If anybody wants to drop your visiting card, it's the last and final call. Please kindly drop your visiting cards. Come on, hurry up. Please. Yes, I can see the guest.
First, second, third, fourth will be consolation.
Yes.
More cards.
Yes. Still more cards.
Wait for 5 minutes.
Last 60 seconds. Yes, only one card. Only one card, please.
If it is proved that someone has put
Yes, I think it's a time up. I request one more. Yes, last. Please hurry up.
That may be the luckiest one.
Yes. Now I request Professor Prabuddha Ganguly, MHRD IPR, Chair Professor, Tezpur University and CEO of Vision IPR to pick up the card for the place of 5. The place of the 5 means out of 5, the card is picking up for the 5th place. This goes to Crompton Greaves. The most gentleman is Mandeep Virdi.
but this is only consolation prize.
I request. Okay, you can come front. I request Dr. Danpat Ram Agarwal to give the consolation prize. Yes.
Thank you so much. All right.
The last one will get the.
Lenovo Tab. Yes.
So don't be so.
Yes.
If you are getting the number 1,
The 4th prize.
you are losing the chance of getting this.
The 4th prize goes to
You are the 5th.
Akiyoshi Imura, the director of IPR.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Anyway, prize is prize.
Prize, see, prize is a prize, but prize is also a surprise.
It's a good thought. Yes, now the card is picking up for the third prize. It's the third prize goes to Neha Chuga of IPR International Services. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Next one,
Yes. Now the second prize. Now the second prize goes to Samir Goyal of TT Consultants. Samir Goyal of TT Consultants. Is anybody is there from TT Consultants? On behalf of TT, any? Yes, okay. Mr. Samir Goyal of TT Consultants can collect this gift.
no, but it is not that he is disqualified. No, he is disqualified.
I give you the John Doe.
So he is disqualified, he is not there.
Okay.
He is
Okay.
disqualified, next one.
Yes, next one. Okay, okay.
That's
This,
qualified.
this is called the law and judgment, making the policies then and there only. This is the real spirit.
Yeah.
Yes, this is Gregi. It's very difficult for me to pronounce. Sergey
It's Sergey Vino.
Grudo of IPR.
I think he will get this one.
No, this one. This one. Yes, welcome. Yes.
But we reject this. No. Why the fourth one?
No. As per the. Yes, now the exciting prize of the.
I'm taking it. Tell me which one is it.
Now the exciting one of the last one, we'll see who is the person. I request JY of our VIPS Managing Director to come and give this award. Who is the winner of the tablet is Mr. Peter Fisher of Multilink. Mr. Peter Fisher of Multilink, we request over there here to come up on the dais.
Qualified. Then disqualified.
Yes. No.
Got disqualified.
Yes, okay. Yes. Okay, the winner is Vijit Mishra, team lead of Hourglass Research. Is there Vijit Mishra?
Disqualified.
Oh, see.
Next one. Oh, you're here? Bad luck. Time is up, they have to be here.
The last winner this is the luckiest, I believe, the third one, Mansi Chaudhary of Subramania and Associates. Is the Mansi Chaudhary is there? Oh, this is. Yes, I think Akhilesh K. Gupta, the patent attorney, member WIPO Green Advisory Board, Geneva. Oh. Okay, I think probably this much. Satish Kumar Sadasivani of Dow Corning.
Gone.
Oh. Shake.
Okay, done.
Okay, I think he has taken. Well, let's see the D. Venkat Reddy of Aptalex. Let's go on a big round of applause. D. Venkat Reddy of Aptalex.
Thank you so much.
Wonderful. Thank you. Good.
Thank you so much. Thank you, everybody.
Thanks for the cooperation. And thanks for all the Professor Prabhuda Ganguly and Dr. Dhanpat for their giving this valuable time. Thank you, sir. Over to you.
Thank you.